everyone. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Fritz Hot Zone Fritz. I hope your day is going well so far. Currently 53 degrees, cloudy and breezy here in the valley on this Wednesday afternoon. Hope your day is going well. Today, I'm going to taste test the Old Trapper brand jalapeno beef and cheese sticks. I bought this at a local grocery store earlier today for 98 cents. Full disclosure, Winco Foods is not a sponsor of this video, and Old Trapper is not a sponsor of this video. If you've tried this particular flavor, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of it is. There we go. Ooh. Ding, 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 ding. Nice, sweet, and savory combination with the meat and the cheese. Ooh, has a nice kick to it, a little spicy. I can taste the peppers in it from the cheese, the pepper jack cheese, and I think there's a spice in the meat. It almost reminds me of the Jack Link's brand jalapeno beef and cheese combo sticks. Very fresh, nice aroma, peppery. That is a little spicy. Good combination, meat and cheese together. Let's see. What else am I tasting here? Yep, the red and green jalapeno peppers. Picked that up. Woo-wee. Oh, yeah. Good flavor. And for reference, this particular package is 1.3 ounces with an expiration date of March 2024. Very flavorful, very tender, melts in the mouth. Very good. If you like a hint of spice, I think you would like these as well. These are good for a snack in the afternoon, or if you're on your break from work, or if you're out having a picnic, you could put some of these in a bag or a basket and take with you. Wow. Whew. I think it was a good deal with the price and the portion size. Jalapenos. Woohoo. Wow. Premium, I'd say. It is salty, but that's what to expect with processed meats. So the salt, you get the sodium, get the flavor. Wow. Good deal. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give the Old Trapper jalapeno beef and cheese sticks. I'm going to give this a 9.37. Wow, good deal. Old Trapper, eat it in the mountains. Or in this case, I'm eating it in the valley. Wow. Impressive. I'll probably finish eating this before the video is even over because it's so good. It's so tender. Delicious snack, just the right amount of spice. I'm really pleased that I picked this up at the store. And I wasn't even looking for these. I was out at the check registers, and these were in a little bin nearby on display. And so it caught my eye. I'll give it a try. Ta-da. Bye, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Safe travels. Ta-da. I found 76 cents today. Ta-da. Ding, 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 ding. When I had my arcade, Fritz Hot Zone Gaming, I sold the Old Trapper deli style original beef sticks, and sometimes I sold the Tillamook Country Smoker beef sticks. They're in the front of the store by the checkout register.